Hey, today I'm going to go through one of the secrets to not getting injured while deadlifting, and that's developing pre-pull tension. Let's use a poster. All right, here we go. We're going to talk about pre-pull tension this time. So let's zoom on down to that pre-pull tension. If you have not seen the other videos yet, we have a whole thing on deadlifting form, tips. We've already gone through the setup, lumbar spine rounding, the lean back, proper breathing, tripod the foot, all that stuff was really, really good. And we're going off of this poster that I've used, that I use in my office just to show people, the visual learners. So pre-pull tension is something I just tell them to listen for the click. And what you realize, if you have proper tension before you pull, there's less slack in the bar is what we call it. So a lot of times people will come from this setup position right here and they kind of yank the bar off the ground, okay? And what happens here is right between the bar and the weight is basically there's a little bit of a gap because we have to be able to slide the weight on, right? I mean, there has to be some little space in there for the weight to come on. So what we look for is to take the slack out of the bar. We're looking for that click to occur. We look to create proper intra-abdominal pressure, and then we drive the bar off the ground. So pre-pull tension, it's something that I can go into pretty extensively, but honestly, I have a whole other video series on developing tension. So let's just stick with that for today. We'll make it a real quick and dirty one. I will put a link for below to learn to create tension with deadlifting. But just as a quick reminder to everybody, they just should be able to hear and feel the tension before they actually drive off the ground. So personally, I don't subscribe to the dip, grip, and rip type of mentality to deadlifting. I think we could be a little bit more systematic about it. So if you're looking for this entire poster right here, I do offer these on vinyl prints as well as small 16 by 20 posters, as well as huge ones for gyms. But we have a lot of docs and gym owners who are looking to buy this thing. So if you're looking for it, go to p2sportscare.com and there'll be a shopping area and you can find it all right there. Customizable, just take all my stuff off of it and you'll be good to go and teaching more deadlift forms. So which ones you guys want to hear about next? So we only have bar positions at setup, and we have hips rising too fast. So let's see what you have left. And after we do this video series, we're going to go through a whole different one. And I don't know what you guys want to hear about next, but I can definitely talk extensively on multiple different topics. So yeah, check out other videos. They're on the sides here. Talk to you guys soon.